Today I was looking at this Ethereum chart since our last video, and I can see that we've made a little bit of progress since the last time that we've talked. So since our last video, Ethereum has made quite a little bit of a progress, and this is what we're going to be talking about. Where does Ethereum go from there? Throughout our last video, I was talking about the fact that we could come down and test this area, which it still haven't been tested yet. And as you can see, we've gone up to these levels over there to the $1,800. Do I think that we're gonna move past this area and go reach this $2,400 area? I do believe so. It could really happen and form a double top before coming down to the area that I've talked about. Also, I would like to bring to your attention that I was looking at the US dollar index chart. I did not talk about it over my last video. I do think that I need to talk about it because the last time that the US dollar index have reached the top was throughout the fall of 2022. And when the DXY chart over there, as you can see, has reached the top, that was, we had, or should I say, we went through a market correction. Now, do I think that we're going to be hitting a market correction? I think it's highly likely. We have a bull case right there. Okay, I do think that we have bottomed. That was the bottom, I believe, and from there, I do believe that we're going to come back to these areas, or should I say, at least this area over there. Now, I mean, did the market crash or correct back in 2025? Pretty sure it did a little bit, but we have to focus on that area. It would be the first time since September 2022. And keep in mind now we're heading to, well, we're in the middle of summer 2026. When the DXY chart is on the upward movement, it's a sign that we're going to be potentially hitting a market correction. Now, is it the only factor that would justify a market correction? No. Other factors that we have to be analyzing before making such conclusions. When I'm looking at, for example, when I'm looking at the S&P 500, that's another sign. I mean, that's a trend line that I've drawn, I think, in 2022, 2023. It was throughout the correction of fall 2022. I do believe that the market has peaked and perhaps reached its final stage prior to a market correction. So back to this Ethereum chart. Where do we go from there? I do believe that it's either we come down to the $1,200 to $1,400 level, or we continue to move upward to the $2,400 prior to the downward movement. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next video.